Internet, what's up? This is Rob from TechGuideSmartBuy.com. Today, we're doing something a little different. So instead of talking about some, consumer product, we're talking about a product for creators. More specifically, the Rode Wireless Go. As you can see, this furry thing on my shirt is not my chest hair poking out. I'm not that bad. We're going to talk about it. This is the mic, the receivers on the camera, and we're going to tell you all about it and let you know if you're thinking about creating or getting into creating, or already have something and looking to get something additional, if this should be your wireless microphone for you to pick up. So with the Wireless Go, you get kind of everything you need to get started. You get, well, the wireless mic, the receiver, two of these windshield or dead cats, if you call them, two of those. So if you miss one, lose one. Two USB-A to USB-C connectors, because these charge via USB-C. They're called SC2 cables. They're pretty much to connect your transmitter to your camera. And you can pretty much get started with this. So I'm using this completely as is. You can actually use this with a lavalier mic. Now, I'm not sure which one to get, so I'm kind of on a hunt. I'm gonna see, I may do a roundup of different lavalier mics from, budget $20 ones to, $170 ones to see which ones will give you the best audio quality. Let us know if you definitely want to see that, and we'll work on that. So for now, I'm just using this as is, and I've been pretty good with the sound. So we've used this for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus first look. We were in a noisy hallway in Barclays Center. There was a lot of people, a lot of traffic, and it still held up pretty well, and that was without the dead cat on or anything. My Passport Go video, so we haven't used it a lot, but we're definitely gonna be using this a lot more moving forward. They come with a travel pouch where you can kind of just put everything in, throw it in the bag, and it won't take up too much space if you already have a bag full of gear. Each of them, the mic and the transmitter, both have clips. So the transmitter can easily attach to a cold shoe, hot shoe with ease, no problem. And then as far as the microphone, they can attach to a shirt like so. Looks weird, but it works. If you got a bag on and doing, you can attach to a strap on those. You can button up shirt, belt clip if you get a lavalier. So along with completely going wireless, the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter allows you to go up to 70 meters or 229 feet. So you can pull off shots like this, either by yourself, like I am, or with someone manning the camera, and that opens up the doors to being more creative and doing different things and pulling off different types of shots that you probably wouldn't normally be able to do and still maintain a good high level quality of audio. So we mentioned USB-C before. So both of these guys are powered USB-C. The battery life lasts about 7 hours per charge. And the fact is USB-C, you can charge it, if you got a battery pack or something, you charge it while using it and keep the party going and not lose out on any work or any shots or any footage. So yeah, so you get all this in a lovely package of $200. So that's our take on it. We love it. We've been using it. Yeah, if you have any suggestions on what lavalier mic to pick up, definitely sound off in the comments below. I'll probably pick up a $20 one just to get started, and then add on some more, and then maybe try with Sennheiser or different types, or maybe even Deity. They have some good stuff out. So I'm gonna try different things and see which one works the best and who can give me the most optimal sound when using the Wireless Go on the go. So again, $200. It's a great buy, great pickup, great tool for anybody looking to get started in creating or just looking for additional means to capture sound when creating. So I think I've said creating enough. I think you've sat here long enough. So let us know what you think about it. If you have it, let us know what lavalier mics you use, or you have any other questions that we may have missed in this. Definitely sound off in the comments below. We can talk about it. Thank you for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.